Yeah, good afternoon po. Careful. Can you walk on the stairs or you want to walk here? Should we go to the clinic first or inside?
Let's go to the clinic first.
Okay. Please put your name registered. Go across. There. Nandito pala kayo. Ang iingay naman ng mundong ibabaw. You have to go here. You have to wait, babe. Wait, babe. Come. Dito kami magpapadoktor kay Dr. Canlas. Ay, buti na lang wala pa masyadong tao. Pas muna kami kasi wala pa yung doktor. Mamaya pang alas 4. 12:30 pa lang. Tagal-tagal pa kami mag-antay. Go. Careful, babe. Careful. Punta muna kami mag-inom ng tubig. Ay, yawa. Mga sira ulo mga to.
All my life, because I used to work in hotels, so
Yeah.
I used to have varicose veins,
Yeah.
and then it became like this. And now also I used to do a lot of walking,
Yeah.
so it just added to the problem. But now,
Yeah.
uh,
This is what we call cellulitis.
Cellulitis.
This is an infection.
yeah,
If you touch it, it's
Yeah.
warm.
yeah,
Okay, because there's an infectious process going on there. Why do you have an infection there? You have poor circulation there. You smoker,
no, I don't smoke.
diabetes.
I don't. The last I did my full body checkup, I didn't have diabetes also.
Okay, it's called cellulitis. Okay, that's not. It's not. That one is okay.
This is okay.
Okay.
This is okay.
So you're working till now.
Yeah, actually, the thing is that I was working on Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
and then Sunday suddenly I got high fever.
Yeah,
I came up
because it's an infection.
yeah, high fever. Then what do you call all that? But the fever, everything finished, but this is still there.
So are you taking any maintenance medication for a disease? Any,
No.
any
No.
medical?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing.
So you don't have hypertension,
No.
diabetes,
High blood pressure, nothing.
nothing?
Nothing prescription medicine, nothing for.
Okay. Were you tested before for all these problems?
I was tested 2 years back.
2 years back?
Yeah.
2 years back? It's a long time ago. You have to be
2 years back.
tested
When was
again.
that?
I tested over there
Where? At?
from.
You said you never been to the doctor before.
I got tested.
Yeah, but why? How come you don't have that?
Not this one.
Yeah, yeah. I'll have you tested. Okay, don't worry. Because like if you have high sugar, blood sugar, we will have a hard time controlling that infection there unless we control your sugar. Okay. If your blood pressure is high, you will have a hard time also there controlling that one until your blood pressure is controlled. Okay, so because one of the problems that you have is circulation.
Yeah.
Okay, so your blood flow going there is not good. Okay, that's why you have varicose veins there.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you alcoholic drinker?
Occasionally I drink.
Just occasionally.
Yeah. Beer. But nothing serious.
130 over 80. That's still normal. It's high normal, but it's still normal. Okay. When you sleep at night, how often do you pee until the morning?
Once or twice I
Okay.
wake up.
That's it. It's not like 4 times, 5 times.
No.
Are you sure, huh?
Yeah.
Because sometimes you goes to the toilet often.
No, just once, twice, maximum 3 times I go.
Okay. That's normal. Okay. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Normally, cellulitis will respond properly with an IV antibiotics. Okay, but you don't like that because that will require some form of hospitalization. Okay, so we'll try an oral first.
Yeah.
If we get the oral, we combine an antibiotics. We'll try for like 10 days.
Okay.
Okay, if it works, then we will continue it until that one will subside.
Okay.
Okay, now if it doesn't work, then we need to talk again and plan of doing an intravenous injection. Okay, now while we're treating that one, you need to do some tests. Okay, some blood tests, you know, and better if you will do an ultrasound. It's called the Doppler studies. We'll see how poor your circulation on that part of your leg.
Okay.
Okay.
You got the keys, di ba? Okay, bye-bye. Ang bilis naman ng grab niya. Uwi na siya. Ako may meeting pa sa school. Didiretso ako sa school ngayon. Dahil may meeting doon. Ay, nakatong aking anak. Papasaway. Aakyat na lang ako dito sa overpass. Dadaan ako. Hihingali na naman tayo nito. Ay, nakalimutan ko man lang mag-lipstick. Wala man lang ka liwanag-liwanag yung mukha ko. Buti na lang kamo, yung doktor dumating ng maaga. Kasi yung dito, tawag nito meeting 4 PM pa. 4 PM na. Akala ko matatagalan pa kami kasi number 14 kami. Buti na lang kamo dumating ng maaga yung doktor. Tapos yung mga ibang patient hindi pa dumating ng maaga kaya nauna kami. Ay, hingan pa more. Saan si Jowa? Nakikita niya kaya ako? Para nanginig yung aking kalamnan sa paa. Okay. Oh my goodness. Napaka-weak na yung ating tuhod. Mag-lipstick ka muna ako mga chas. Tingnan mo naman yung labi ko. Yung nagulat ka dahil umano. Wait. Mag-lipstick muna ako. Okay na yan siya. Ang init. Ang ganda ng view ko. Okay na yan siya. Sabi ko nagsishake naman. O yan. Traffic. Kawit na sa kabila. Traffic din. Punta na tayo sa school. Ay, ay, ay. Ang init. Alas 4 na pero ang init pa din. Ang dami naman dumi dito. Sana ko yung anak ko. Pumasok na. Umuwi na kaya yun. Hindi ko alam kung saan na yung anak ko. Hindi ko alam kung nakalabas na sila.
Sa pag nilalakad, tinatry ko i-sync yung paan.
Uwian na ng mga bata ngayon eh. Alas 4 na kasi.
Alam ka talaga ni Erica.
Grabe yung mga estudyante dito. Madami sila dito. Laki ng school nila. Dami ding estudyante. Nabasa na. Dito yung anak ko.
Ay, iniwan mo lang si Mondin.
Ay, hello po. Sa Cheryl po. Yung mother ni Malia.
Dito po.
Ano, pwede pumasok? Hi!
It's so dirty.
Oh, may nakikita ako. Asan sila? I can see the mango. Malia, hindi niya ako pinapansin. Saan po sila?
Ayan na.
Pwede pumasok?
Sige lang